From the Highroad cross side of Grace, take the road going north and stick to the road. Should see a fire golem in the distance, and you'll have to pass through an encampment, ride underneath the fire golem and through the encampment, and then you'll reach the main gate of Shadow Keep. Then just ride up the elevator and you'll be at the Shadow Keep main gate side of Grace. In order to proceed from here, you'll have to go forward and kill the golden hippopotamus. I used summons just because I find the boss very challenging, but you can kill it by yourself if you want to. Either way, after killing them, you will get the next side of Grace, which will be the main gate plaza. From here, go forward towards the northwest, go up the stairs, turn right, go up the stairs, go up more stairs, and then go to your immediate right. Stay along the right to avoid the archer. Go across the bridge, and then go further across this bridge, then go left, avoid the enemy, and then take the elevator, and this will take you to the next side of Grace. And this is the Storehouse first floor side of Grace. Then go to your left, take this elevator down, go forward, go right, go left, and then down the stairs to the right. Go left, go forward, go left, go down the stairs, go forward, and you'll be at the next side of Grace. And this is the West Rampart side of Grace. From here, go forward towards the west, through the smaller door, go across the bridge, avoiding the enemies, just go straight across. Then go to your right and up the stairs. Take the next elevator. And this will take you to your next side of Grace. And this is the Viaduct Minor Tower side of Grace. And go forward, get on the mount, and go right towards the west. Continue along the path. And go right. Make another right. Go left. Drop down. This door will be closed, you'll just have to open it, then go through it, then drop down, go forward and left, then left again, under the archways, and then here keep to the right to avoid the enemy that's in the middle of the lake, and you'll be at your next side of Grace. Rauh, Ancient Ruins east side of Grace. And get on the mount again, drop down, go to the end of this bridge, towards the right, and jump down. Go forward, and then go to your left. Continue going forward, and you'll reach the next side of Grace. And this is the Rauh Ancient Ruins west side of Grace. And from here, head towards the west, up the stairs, then right, left, and right. And then take the next elevator up. From here, go to your left and drop down, then go to your right and drop down again. Continue forward towards the right, and then stay along the beam. And then to the right here, carefully jump over, and then jump over the next gap, and the next, and then go forward. And there's going to be a hole in the wall, and then another hole to the left. Go through both. Open the treasure chest and you'll get the Talisman of All Crucibles, which grants the effects of all crucible talismans, including reducing damage taken from critical hits and headshots, and improves the effectiveness of rolling and backstepping, but also increases the damage taken at all times, and is located here on the map. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more quick guides. Thank you.